Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos.
First look of the 2023 CFMoto 800NK. CFMoto is rapidly proving that Chinese motorcycles can be built on par with those made in Japan or the West. An infusion of technology from KTM certainly helps, but the new 800NK is a bike that genuinely looks every inch as impressive as its direct rivals. KTM 790 Duke shares the same engine as the 800NK and is built alongside it at CFMoto's Chinese factory. We've seen glimpses of the 800NK already. First as the NKC22 concept bike, revealed last September. There's never been much doubt that the production version would be launched in the first half of 2023, and here it is. In terms of specifications, only the bare details have been announced so far. It uses the same 799cc KTM LC8c engine as the 790 Duke and 790 Adventure, as well as CFMoto's own 800MT Adventure bike, but is tuned for 99 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 59.7 lb featuring of torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. That's a fraction more power and a little less torque than the same engine in the 790 Duke. We also know that the 800NK's wet weight is an impressively low 410 pounds, undercutting the 445-pound Suzuki GSX-8S by a substantial margin and even besting the 419-pound Honda Hornet. The CFMoto also offers more power than the 82-horsepower Suzuki or the 91-horsepower Honda. That KTM-designed engine sits in a steel tube frame with a 57.7-inch wheelbase, sporting KYB suspension at each end, which is fully adjustable at the front and has preload and rebound adjustment at the rear, with twin 4-piston radial mount calipers at the front and a single 2-piston unit at the back. The 800NK's front end manages to be distinctive without being willfully controversial, its V-shaped headlight reflected in a winglet-like wind deflector above it and also in the upper surface of the front fender below. Other details from CFMoto's latest info drop include the fact that the 800NK has 3 riding modes, rain, street, and sport, from its ride-by-wire throttle, with a 4-way joypad on the left handlebar to control an impressive-looking, iPad-style TFT dash. A second version of the bike will also be offered with a smaller instrument pack, around half the size of this one, but will still have a full-color TFT with multiple display modes. At the moment, CFMoto hasn't released pricing info or details of when the 800NK will be available, even in China, but it's likely to reach the market there in the next few months.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.